Mastering negative questions with when. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're delving into an interesting and important topic in English conversation. Asking and answering questions using the word when. But we won't stop there. We'll specifically look at how when is used in negative questions. It might sound tricky, but don't worry. We're here to guide you step by step. Negative questions are questions that are formed using negative constructions. They can sound quite formal, and they're often used to express surprise or to request confirmation of something the speaker believes to be true. For example, a positive question would be, "When do you go to the gym?" A negative version of this question might be, "When don't you go to the gym?" This might be used if someone was surprised to find out that you didn't go to the gym on a day they expected you to. Now that we know what negative questions are, let's take a look at how to form them with when. A negative question with when follows this structure. When plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus not plus main verb. For example, when does he not play tennis? Or, when aren't you available? Remember, these questions are often looking for specific information about exceptions to what the speaker believes to be true or the norm. Answering negative questions can also be a bit challenging, as the question itself often contains a presumption. For example, if someone asks, "When don't you go to the gym?" they're implying that you go to the gym regularly. You could respond by saying, "I don't go to the gym on Sundays." Or, if the presumption is incorrect, you could correct it, "Actually, I don't go to the gym regularly." And there we have it. That's our introduction to negative questions with when. They might take a little practice, but once you understand the structure and intent behind them, they're a great tool to add to your English conversation skills. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next session where we will dive deeper into the world of English language learning. Until then, keep practicing and stay curious.